you're experiencing connection errors while playing Roblox, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and improve your connection. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other websites. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can resolve connection issues. Turn off your computer, console, or mobile device, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. This can refresh your network settings and clear temporary glitches. Step 3. Update Roblox. Make sure you are using the latest version of Roblox. Check for updates in the App Store or the Roblox website. An outdated version may cause compatibility issues and connection errors. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Your firewall or antivirus software may be blocking Roblox from connecting to the internet. Check the settings and ensure that Roblox is allowed through the firewall. You may need to add it as an exception or temporarily disable the antivirus to test the connection. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Sometimes changing your DNS settings can improve your connection. You can switch to public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 or OpenDNS. To do this, go to your network settings, find the DNS settings, and replace them with the new DNS addresses. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve connection errors in Roblox. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.